2.6 mixed numbers in improper fraction. I can convert between mixed numbers and improper fractions.
Did you guys say you're pretty capable of converting between the two now?
Yes.
The big difference, the big thing we need to know is that a mixed number and an improper fraction are really two completely different things, right?
Yes.
But they can be equal to each other. Mixed numbers have a whole number and part of a whole. Improper fractions part and burp a lot, right?
Yes.
They also have a numerator bigger than the denominator, which makes them improper, more so than the farting and the burping. Okay. Probably the most important part of our lesson was what Riley B told us. When we convert between 5 and 1/4, and we get 21/4 by going around the world. So we went 5 times 4, and then we added 1. That's how we always convert from a mixed to an improper. We got 21/4, right? All fine and dandy. We can all do that procedural thing. But Riley was able to explain to us that 5 1/4 is really 5 full pizzas and 1/4 of a 6 pizza, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
But then I said, okay, Riley, you smarty pants. What is 21/4? How are they the exact same? And she said, Mr. Pottinger, draw 5 whole pizzas. So I did. And draw another 6. And just shade in a little part of the 6th. And then split it into fourths. Split all of the other ones into fourths, and then you count them. And we counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all the way to 21 pieces of pizza, right? And these 21 pieces of pizza were split into
4.
Oh my God. So 21/4 and 5 1/4 mean the same thing, yes, no?
Yes.
And then how do you get from a mixed to an improper? Again, I say, you go around the
World.
And in this classroom, is it ever okay to use a mixed number to calculate?
No.
Why are we not so sure on that? Can I ask that question again as you're reading number 6 to yourself right now frantically so you can answer the question correctly? Is it ever okay in this classroom to calculate using mixed numbers?
No.
Yes? You must always convert mixed numbers to improper fractions before doing any calculations. So is it okay to use mixed numbers to do calculations?
No.
No. Could you read, MJ, when I ask you to read? Okay. So again, if you have a problem like this, 3 1/6, and you're multiplying it times 2 1/2, you must first convert to an improper. Dominic, right? No matter what, mixed numbers can never be used to calculate. Down here, though, we went from an improper to a mixed. Improper to mixed simply involve what operation?
Division.
We're dividing, right? So if I have a mixed number like 21/4, the 21 goes in the house, the 4 goes outside the house, you divide. Do we do remainders anymore? Do we do remainders anymore?
No.
Again, it's not my video. I would like an answer if I ask a question. Okay, so we have an example on number 8, we have an example on number 9, and then the big thing we said in 6th grade, all final answers must be in mixed number form. So you may never give an answer using an improper fraction. You would always convert it back to a mixed number. Make sense?
Yeah.
What's our cheat sheet on this one? The numerator goes in the house when dividing.